Hey guys, long time no unboxing. Today I actually have 4 items I got from LV a while back, but I will only be unboxing these 2 smaller pieces, and then as part 1, and then I'll do another one for part 2. This is actually the first item I bought. I haven't opened it yet, and another larger item. That I will do in a separate part 2. So just quickly, I wanted to show everyone this year's Christmas holiday packaging from LV. There's 4 colors. Red would be the smallest bag. And they also have white, that's in the long shade, mid-size in blue, and then the bigger, larger one in the green. So here we go. I don't know which is which, but let's just open one. And then in terms of ribbon, it's the orange thicker one as opposed to the thinner one. And they have different color holiday cards like Lego. But the one in Hong Kong only had blue this time, so that she only gave me the blue cards. And let's see what this is. And it's the pink with demi azure and gold bracelet or bangle. Let's see. That's my first piece. I will add to my collection. And then I know what this one is now. Oh, they actually indicated it for me. I've already showed this, did a vlog in the LV shop. I also promised to do an unboxing. It's the Year of the Rabbit next year, 2023, and LV came out with Chinese New Year CNY products already in monogram leather. Yeah. So these are the 2 that I've bought from LV as bracelets, and I like mixing metals. So from time to time I could wear them together and add it to my ring arm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and in part 2 I'll be opening 2 more boxes separately. Bye! Thanks!